what we are going to check now is simple intraday strategy, devoid of unnecessary indicators. Yes. So I've been practicing this here. This is this account. I started this account with $10,000. Yes. Now, which day was that? Okay, on night. So today, I've made 50% of it with this strategy I'm going to teach now. Yes, even my live trading. Yesterday I made 132 USD. Yesterday. Yes. 2 days ago was 20 USD. 3 days ago was around 17 or 20 USD. Yeah. So pure intraday, no need of leaving our trades open. Leaving it until the next day. So if a question calls for that, so let's go. Let's go. The first thing we do, okay, the first thing we do is to go to daily time frame. We analyze what daily time frame is doing. Okay, this is just 9 period moving average. Okay, so on this daily chart now, okay, let's start from weekly. Let's check what the market is doing. Now look at here. We mark the highest swing up here. So if you mark this swing, then you find out that on weekly time frame, this market here, the swing high is higher than the previous swing high. Okay, now look at the swing low on weekly. This is the swing low. So based on weekly chart, until it takes out this weekly low, you know that it is bearish. So on weekly, we only look for buying opportunity now, because as the thing, look at it here, it formed after here was a neutral candle and indecision bridge, and after that look at the next one, which is a confirmation of uptrend. Okay, let's go to weekly. Sorry, daily. On our daily chart, look at what happened. This is our swing high here, which is higher than the previous swing high. Yes, we are seeing here. But here, there's an issue. We have swing low here. So it took out that swing low entirely. It took it out, and we are having a resistance here. If we mark, let's quickly mark. I want to feel here. Okay. And because when the market was coming down, remember we have a kind of an obstruction, because after it broke up here, had been serving us the support. It held after it broke, it held here. Based on dailies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the 8th one, it broke. Then when it got there, there's a kind of obstacle, and we have this candle. And this candle now, because little rejection, it moved up and was rejected entirely. So with this buying here is a big problem until here gives way. So let us go to 4 hours chart, which will give us more clue. So we go to our 4 hours. Based on our 4 hours, let's check what 4 hours is doing. Okay, if we check on 4 hours, look at the swings, then it moved up, then it broke down. It has broken this structure, which means it is telling us that it is bearish. 4 hours and the daily chart, they are giving us the same information. And if you check the candles that have been forming, let's just start from the beginning. It moved. We have this swing low here, which was taken out. Immediately it took it out. It was a free ride. It continued moving. It took it out, tried to move up, but this is a weak bullish candle. With this candle, it continues coming down. Look at it here. Look at this one here. Look at this one here. And this 4 hours, because it was moving up, it came down and moved up again. Then it broke down a little, because sorry. Let me zoom in, okay? Let me zoom out a little. Look at this candle here. This is our low. Our lowest point here. We took it out with a huge bearish candle. Then there was another candle here. That candle is weak, because you can't compare it with the. You can't compare this candle with this. So then what happened next? Good. So that bearish confirmation drove the price down. When we get to our previous support, okay, this, yes, our previous support, exactly. When something is coming down, yes, it came to our previous support here. We try to take it out, but the buyers resisted. Then this candle cancelled. Look at it here. This bullish candle, we have a bullish candle that moved. It wanted to be engulfing candle, bullish engulfing, but look at the rejections. Then we have another candle here, bullish candle, but we now have a bearish one that cancelled it. And once it cancelled it, then we have the next one here that confirmed it. It moved down. Then coming down here, it got here. Then this is our important area. This support now has turned into a resistance. Yes. So the market has been battling between here. But my concern here, on these 4 hours, this is our lowest point, highest point. We now have another point here, which is the market has formed a higher high. It has taken out. Have you seen it? It has also taken out the previous swing high. We took it out. Look at where we are now. But instead of moving on, we now have a bearish candle hammer pattern. Yes. This candle. But we still have, it has not been able to take out this internal swing low. So this market, there is a kind of confusion on this way. So let us go down to 1 hour. You can get a clearer information. If you go to 1 hour, under 1 hour, this is a complete bullish. It's complete bullish movement. Look at it. I took out this swing high here. Then when we took it out, we have a swing low here. It moved. We have another swing low here. Let's mark it. Then the high of this one now is higher than this. Then it has been running around the previous swing low. Okay. So 1 hour is giving us bullishness. Let's go to 15 minutes. If you go to 15 minutes, my internet is not on that. Okay. This is 15 minutes. Based on 15 minutes, look at it from here. It took out the previous high. It came down. Then this high now is also higher than the previous high. It came down here. Reached this low. So here the market is making higher high. It's making higher high and higher low. So this high is higher than this one. This low is equivalent to this. So we are stopped here. So depend what happens after ECB interest rate. Because we have ECB interest rate, we have the after yes, we have an interest rate. Actual times we have them. We have interest rate by 115. The next one we have is the speech, the governor's speech, ECB governor's speech. Then after that we have series of economic news from US. So my internet is slow. I don't know why. I'm trying to open this. I'm trying to open Forest Factory. Forest Factory is not opening. Okay, look at here is Forest Live. It says Forest Live European FC News light movements ahead of ECB decisions. More US data. Let's check. Let's open it and get more insights from it. Since our Forex factory has refused to open. Open the Forex factory again. So my internet is slow. I know that there are economic news. Okay, let me check. Let me check on my mobile if it will open. Let me check on my mobile. Okay, the Forex factory is opening. Oh, Nigeria, our country. God help us. Okay, it has finally opened. Okay, yes, we have the interest rate by 1:15 p.m. Because the next less than 30 minutes from now. Yes. Then we have the policy statement. Okay, almost same time. Then another important news, we now have series of news. Okay, 1:30 p.m. card. So this one is low impact. Then we have high impact news. Core PPI, unemployment claims. All these are coming 1:30 p.m. Then 1:45 p.m. is ECB press conference. Yes. USD card. So 1:30, the economic news that are coming by 1:30 will offer at least much insight to where the thing will be going, where price action will be headed to. So that is it. Yes, I already bought USD card, but because of these things and the news and everything, I hesitated with about 4 or 5 USD profit. I hesitated at 35.75 or 6 years. So that is all about it. Let us recap. What we do, we go to weekly. Let me remove all these lines, horizontal lines. Okay, that's it. So we go to our weekly. On our weekly, we have the latest, the previous highest point was broken. Look at it here. It was broken. But here too, there's a kind of plus tie, because okay, this is the lowest swing. Then we have a kind of internal swing here. Look at this one, this swing low. Here the market made a higher high. It has been taken out too. But it is trying to move up. But it is finding a barrier here. Okay. Look at this formation. This formation is giving bearish signal. We come back here again. It's moving on. I'm still seeing a bearish signal here. We go to 1 hour. This is the previous one here, which has been taken out. Another bearish signal. Let's go to 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, this was the previous high. The previous high was taken out, but look at, immediately it was taken out. Look at what happened. We have an engulfing bearish candle, a kind of great injection. Look at it. So it is also a bearish signal. Yes. So let's go to 5 minutes. Because if you check here now, this was the swing low, and it has taken it out. Then we now have a kind of higher low. Look at this candle series. This is high. Then the next candle couldn't get to this high. The other one couldn't get to it, and it came down. Have you seen it? Then it made a higher low, and this time around it made a lower low. Look at it. It took out this low based on 15 minutes. So it moved up here. So it is testing the highest point of the previous higher low. Exactly. So if it can take out here this one, then you can now enter a trade based on the kind of test. Yes. I think the best thing to do is to exit, which I did. So let's go to 5 minutes. If you go to our 5 minutes chart, let's see what is happening here. Okay. Here was broken, it moved up. This is 5 minutes. This was the highest high. We took it out with just a little thing. But if you zoom in, okay, it took immediately. Look at the kind of reversal. Look at this high is a little higher than this, but we have a double top here, and look at the confirmation. This is, I call it bearish engulfing, or a kind of negative or whatever. But all I know is that, look at it. All I know is that it was a confirmation of bearishness, and it went down. The previous swing low, it went down here, which is, it has made a lower low, moved up, then broke this. It broke it. It broke the previous lower low, and it moved down to this place. Then it tried to move up again, and that rejection here started coming down. Let's go to the latest, is the current actions. So based on our current actions, what we are seeing, it came down here, took out the previous high of this here, so somebody can now enter, and then it came down. This is higher high, it came down, it is testing all these areas. So based on what we are seeing, bearish, it's still bearish until this area is taken out from this area. Then we can now enter on a pullback. Let's check what 1 minute is doing. On 1 minute, let's see. This was a kind of run down. when here was broken, it went up, came back within this area. Looking for the area from here. Okay, look at this was the high from where it was taken out. Okay. It moved up higher than this high. It had made a higher high. This is low, higher high. Look at it. Okay, it came down. So here now it is making a higher high. So the market for now, there is no obvious. I've not seen an agreement between the higher time frames and low time frames. Yes. So all the intraday time frames. Yes. This one now is making a higher high. But 5 minutes has not even, yes, that this high has not been mitigated or breached or overtaken or taken out. Okay. So between 1:15 to 1, especially from 1:30, we shall now know what happens. So in this situation, we sit at the fence. Yes, we sit at the fence. But if it takes out this and comes back and gives us a buying signal from this area, we can buy. Or if it moves up to this area and gives us a selling signal, we can sell. That is it. So we don't need to use unnecessary indicators to do our trading. Yes, we don't need it. Let me remove all this. Removing them. So here now, look at this bullish candle. So let me add volume to find out. Wow, and it came with a good volume. Yes, but because of the news, we are not supposed to take any trades. And again, remember, distance is still an obstacle. Still an obstacle. So there's no guarantee that it will continue going up. Yes. But rather, it will continue, it will still take out even this bullishness until it breaks here and reverse. You can now think of entering it. Or if it gives a signal here. If, and even there's no news now, I will look for, if I see any selling opportunity, I would have entered. Yes. Look at this bullish, this bearish candle on 1 minute. If you check all this, you have not seen any candle like this. Yes. So this is just for demo. Let's see what happens. But if it's my live account, I will never enter because economic news are coming. This is sell now. So we're supposed to put our stop loss. Oh, let's check. Okay, above the high of all this. Yes, high is 35.85. Into 35.85. 583 is okay. Yes. That's our stop loss. So we now check, which is about 3.6 pips. So we should be getting about 10, at least minimum of 10 pips. So we come down. These areas we will also get 13 pips, which is very, very okay. Okay, let's check. This is where we have this kind of movement. Okay, set up here. Yeah. Okay, yes, we are risking 3.6 pips. Targeting 11.9. So that is it. Let's wait a little to see how it goes. Okay, because of time, I may not wait. We can monitor it and see how it goes, but it's not. This is not for me. It's not advisable entering such trades at this time because of the news that are coming. Yes. Thank you. This is how I do my trades. Yes, I've used this method to make some money. I don't want to open my live account. Let me open my live account and show you some of this I made yesterday. Price I made. Okay. My live account is opening. Okay. Look at it here. It's still trying to get me. As you can see, this is Darwin's live. This is live account. Let me go to history. Let me pick custom history. Yesterday was 11th. Okay. So these were the trades I made. $4, $2, $12, $115 and $5. Yes. So okay, the total yesterday was 136. Yes. Okay. So let's check since this week. Okay. On Monday. Okay, $17, $17.5 on Monday. That is which date? Okay, this is 9. Then on 10th, which is Tuesday, $23.6. Then yesterday, these are the slips of things I made. Yes. So if you use such method, you will find out that you are even by the time you lose, you are not going to lose much. Yes, unless if you don't put stop loss, which happened to me one time ago, and I paid dearly for it. That is it. Okay, let's go back to that trade now and see what's happening. Okay, it's still running around. Okay, our entry was 35.81 it's almost at our entry. So these are how you do what is, since we got our 1 hour to be given if you check the 1 hour now, we have, because here it has taken out here, so it is giving bearishness. If you check 30 minutes, it's the same bearishness. 15 minutes, the same bearishness. So with 1 hour, with a minute, we can now enter in the direction of those shorter time frames. So that's how to do it. Yeah, it was. If you lose, you lose. Okay, if you check what we are losing, we are risking only 3.6 pips now, which is negative $26.51, because I entered with one full loss, one standard lot. Yes, so whatever that happens, if it goes to our favor, it will give us more risk reward. Even the type of risk reward, don't be surprised, it can come even to this area. Yes, which is about 88 pips. Yes, because once here breaks, if here breaks, the next challenge will be here. Even if here breaks, if you have a good bearish candle on 1 hour, the next target will not be on these areas. So that's how to do it. Thank you. So you can monitor each level. God bless you. We'll come today. We have 5 minutes for the important economic news. Thank you. Okay? As you can see, it has, there was a kind of okay, the swings are now getting bigger and bigger. That's why it's not advisable to, sorry, the spread and everything, it's not advisable to trade during very close to economic news, like I have earlier said. Yeah, it has, the market has closed, our stop loss has been hit. But just check what happens here. Check what happens. A minute chart can be highly volatile. Yes. So let's check what happens here. If here is taken out, we now wait for the kind of request. Yes, sir. That's it. Thank you. Comment.